Okay, so can you make money at Doordash? Can you make money through Doordash? Let's talk about it in this quick and short video. Feel free to leave your comments and your thoughts in the comment section below. So yes, you can make money with Doordash, but your earnings depend on location, demand, hours worked, and how efficiently you manage deliveries. Most dashers report making between $15 or $25 per hour before expenses, though actual take-home pay is lower once fuel, vehicle maintenance, and taxes are factored in. So how Doordash pay works? So they have a best pay, usually ranges from $2 to $10 per delivery, depending on distance, time, and desirability. Then tips, customers can add tips, which often make up a large portion of earnings for dashers. Promotions, extra pay, incentives like peak pay, which means you get an extra $1 or $4 per delivery during busy times, and challenges, bonuses for completing a set number of deliveries. Payouts are weekly, direct deposit, or fast pay, which allows instant cash out for a small fee. So some strategies that people use is people try to only do Doordash during peak hours, breakfast, lunch, and dinner rushes. They usually yield better pay. Then stake orders basically accept multiple deliveries at the same area to save time and fuel, as well as just tracking your expenses and knowing your market fully, so that you know the busy zones with high demands and the sort. So you can also do multiple app hustle, where many dashers don't just do Doordash, but they are also on Uber Eats and Grubhub to fill the downtime that they might be having with Doordash. So can you make money at Doordash? The short answer is yes, you can make money with Doordash, but your earnings are highly dependent on location, demand, the hours that you work, and how efficiently you manage deliveries. But also remember things like fuel, vehicle maintenance, as well as taxes.